Welcome to the video series on the bandsaw. Today we're going to be exploring the operations and parts of this unique tool. This tool uses a metal continuous blade that wraps around a lower drive wheel that's powered by an electric motor. This momentum forces the blade up and around the idler wheel, down through the blade guard, and allows us to cut our material on this table. We're going to be looking at parts and the operation of using this tool. The blade is a thin metal looping band with teeth all around it on one side. The blade's flexibility is what allows the bandsaw to make curved and irregular cuts that most other saws cannot. The drive wheel is the lower wheel that is turned by the base of the motor. The idler wheel is the upper wheel that feeds the blade downwards through the table. Support wheels are positioned directly behind the blade to prevent it from moving backward as stock is pushed into the blade. Guide blocks are two soft metal square blocks that reduce the amount of blade twisting. The blade guide guard can be adjusted to control the amount of the exposed blade. When operating the bandsaw, be sure to wear eye protection, hearing protection, and open up the dust collecting vent. Make a cutting plan or sketch on your workpiece to help make a more accurate cut. Position the blade guard approximately a centimeter above the thickness of your workpiece. Check the position of the guide blocks and support wheels. If they are in the correct locations and positions, you're ready to turn the saw on. Always keep the workpiece flat on the table. Keep hands out of the blade's line and at least 5 centimeters away at all times. Push the workpiece into the blade with moderate speed and pressure. Never move the workpiece backwards on a long cut. If you have to back up, stop the saw and then back the piece out. Allow the blade to come to a complete stop before clearing the table. Always clear the table from the back with a brush or a board, not with your hands. Guide your workpiece to cut on the scrap side of your template lines. When cutting tight angles, first make relief cuts. This will help reduce blade tension and produce a smoother cut. A bandsaw is a great tool to cut curves. This is done by moving your workpiece right or left while pushing through the blade. Let's watch and listen as the final cut is made on this workpiece. Bandsaw is a great tool to make workpieces. In this video, we looked at the parts of the bandsaw and operational steps. By being familiar with this tool, you can safely use it with confidence. Until next time, keep making sawdust.